Hey everybody! Today we're going to give a brief overview of the slot mate in SolidWorks. The slot mate allows you to mate a cylindrical object, such as a hole or bolt, to a straight or arched slot. You can also use it to mate two slots together. Here we have our robot arm that we've used in a few examples in the past. We want to mate the wrist component to the forearm so that its range is limited to the slot and the carbon fiber plate. We will use the through hole on the wrist and the slot on the forearm plate to create the mate. To create the mate, select the Mates icon and expand the Mechanical Mates menu and select Slot. For the mate selection, we'll select the through hole on the wrist component and one of the slot faces. We'll leave the constraint free for now and hit the green checkbox. Now you see that the wrist component's range of motion is limited to the range of the slot, but can be dragged freely. The slot mate has four constraint options: free, center in slot, distance along slot, and percent along slot. The free option allows the component to be moved freely within the confines of the slot. The center in slot option centers the component inside the slot and restricts movement. The distance along slot option places the component a set distance from the slot end. You can change which end of the slot that the distance is measured from by selecting Flip Dimension. And the percent along slot option fixes the component a set percentage of the slot length from the end face. Again, you can flip the side the dimension is measured from by hitting the Flip Dimension checkbox. This has been a brief overview of the slot mate in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to get notifications about future videos.